event?
Drift event for Leadfoot City.
Leadfoot City. How are you
Yeah.
feeling? How are you feeling?
Huh?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling
It's very
good?
cold. It's like 20 degrees outside.
Yeah, it's really cold.
Extremely cold.
It's a new experience.
Yeah, a very new experience. I've only been here one time, so I'm excited.
Yeah.
You tried sorting out?
It's sketchy.
It's still sketchy. Wow. Okay. You gotta like dial it down.
Yeah.
Holy. I thought I was gonna die. Dude, it's different. Like the sim is one thing, but
Yeah.
like in person,
It's way different.
the amount of forces I'm feeling,
Yeah.
I have to like push myself against the chair to make sure like I'm good, you
Well,
know?
we need a better harness for this car.
Yeah?
For this passenger
For the
seat.
passenger.
Yeah, because I don't move.
Yeah, you have this harness thing.
Yeah. And I have one coming from here, two here, and two here.
But damn, bro, like seeing you like when you did the like I don't know that shift, it looks like you're about to hit that wall.
The Japanese style. Yeah. Like normally you go straight, handbrake, enter. But the cool way is to like turn the opposite way and then turn with momentum.
That is just surreal, bro. I'm glad you're able to just have fun.
Yes.
It feels great.
Yeah, like I'm learning finally. I have a nice setup where I can just learn.
Yeah. This time there's nothing bad happened immediately.
Yeah, exactly.
That's just awesome.
I'm sure there's like a few tweaks here and there, but the way the car is set up, it's like when you go in a gravy garage and you just hit play.
Yeah.
Like I'm good.
Literally, that's what it felt like. You guys took the car out and boom. Like literally.
Yeah.
It was us. We just had to put our stuff on. What happened?
I'm dragging something.
A cone.
A cone?
You drove over a cone. But it was after you slid, I think. We can figure it out in a bit. We're about to find out.
Transcooler is on the ground and you're leaking water.
Thank you.
So what could it be?
My cooler fell. And I'm leaking.
Oh. The zip ties were not enough. That is not a good look.
¿Cómo sabemos que sí lo rompió? ¿Dónde está roto? ¿Dónde está roto? Ah, sí. Lo rompió por debajo.
What just happened?
Our car broke again.
Again?
Unfortunately, yes.
That's crazy. What happened?
I ran over a cone and my power steering cooler came loose and it made a hole in the radiator. Yeah. Yay!
So we're gonna go.
We're gonna go on a ride. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, get ready.
Okay.
Alright, so last time we went to Leadfoot City, we unfortunately had some damage to our radiator and it pretty much ended our day completely. We couldn't fix it in time. We couldn't really find a solution that'll work with enough for us to really get back on the track. The power steering cooler kind of also went flying everywhere. And overall, it was really just the radiator that went out on us. So since then, we've upgraded to an aluminum radiator, and a sort of idea that we're working on is sourcing a bumper somewhere on Facebook Marketplace for cheap and maybe painting it, and also getting a skid plate from Z1. So Z1 offers this awesome skid plate for the 350Z platform, and it's not really a functional thing for drift, I would say. It's more of a cool factor and an added protection for our assets, we could say. So we're gonna try that out, and we're gonna see if we can make it fit in our drift car, make it work, and also kind of showcase how awesome that skid plate is, because it is a really cool design overall. The most proper hood prop.
If only cars came with hood props.
So I'm thinking, you see these mounts that like the stock Nissan people did?
Yeah.
Well, imagine we make one out of aluminum.
But this one's welded onto the frame, no?
Yeah, that's the point. So we grind this out, cut it off, and then we like make our own.
Okay.
That might, I don't know. Because this is like bent. And it's kind of flimsy.
That doesn't even look safe.
Yeah. We may have to redo this. It'd be so sick to make our own, dude. Like, that'd be our first
project.
Our first, like, fabrication project. Because we don't know how to weld or anything. So this would be nice to learn.
So I guess we add that to the list.
Yeah.
To the weld adventure.
Absolutely. I'm assuming this is... I have no idea. But we make an extra little tab here that'll mount the power steering cooler.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
Okay, yeah. So it's like your own mount for the cooler?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we gotta grind it out and do all that crap. Should we do that? Or should we just get the radiator in place? You think that's better?
Yeah. Definitely gonna be like another upgrade.
Yeah. I think that's like when we get good at welding. For now, we have a mount in place, so we're good. Something I'm thinking about doing is relocating the water bottle reservoir that we have into this little slot right here. that way we can make the hose shorter and just have like a nicer package overall. It's still shitty, but it's better. What do you think?
Anything to get rid of that pee bottle.
That thing's gonna stay there for sure. Basically what happened was either the radiator is slightly short on the two little mounts or this is really bent. So the conclusion I came to was this is slightly short for this mount, for this little bar right here. So I had to run one mount on the top upside down, and then for me to clear this post I had to open up a hole in the mount, which looks really ugly, but it's very sturdy. It won't ever move, so we're good. Now we just gotta put the hoses and we can start working on the under tray. What do we think?
I like the look. It's so, I didn't know it looked like this. I like this
Yeah.
little vent right here. That's cool.
I didn't think adding a bumper would actually look nice.
It looks really cool.
It does a really good job. Dude,
That looks crazy.
right? They put a fat layer of paint on this.
All right, so bumper.
Back, we got the skid plate done, we got it mounted to the bumper, we got a new bumper, and we also got this amazing hole that we did to the skid plate so that we can still lift it up from the front bash bar. And that's where we're at the moment. But the cool thing about this is that we're gonna fix it and we're gonna go straight to the track. So we're going to Showtime at Clearwater and we're gonna see how it performs. We're gonna see if this skid plate is really a smart idea because it's completely unnecessary. We are aware of that. But it's really more of a cool factor. The bumper was really necessary, so we just want to make sure the tires are not rubbing, we're doing everything great. And yeah, let's get started.
I was telling you to turn. I was telling you to turn.
I saw this.
Oh shit.
I just don't want the bumper to go out.
It's okay,
That's
man.
the only thing. I don't want the bumper to go out because I see the skid plate is like halfway in, halfway out. I just don't want it to go out.
We'll see how it
If
goes.
it doesn't go out, we're gold.
As long as you don't feel a thud or weird
Or
like bump.
the scratching noise we heard from last video. That's it. That's the bumper just has to stay on. If it comes off, I'm just not running it.
I just won't run it.
We're back.
We're back.
Finally.
Finally have some fun too.
After
Well
disaster comes fun, I guess. Whatever happens today, we're not letting the car go down. If it breaks, we're fixing it here.
Calentó ya.
Ay, Dios.
Yeah, aftermarket.
We'll see how it goes. That was not ideal. That was not ideal.
It's okay.
I felt some weird like vibration.
Do you feel like the car was like lacking in some way when you were driving
It
on
felt
the
like
track?
the steering was
Like off? Boom! Tom and Jerry. This is all we got. This is it. The screw was gonna fall off anyways. Okay. So the thing here. Our ghetto solution.
What's our solution?
So with a screw in the washer.
Yeah.
And then we get a wrench.
Try to put it down again, I guess.
Okay.
See if we can finesse it. I just don't know why the hood doesn't close all the way.
Dude, I could step on the hood if you want.
No.
No?
Ay, metió el tubo para adentro.
Claro, el tubo protegió el carro.
Thank God for bass
Y eso que
bars.
es una cosa bien chiquita.
Oh, it won't move. It won't move. Okay.
Is that perfect?
That one has enough space for the pin before I tighten this.
Why don't you check? Because I don't think it
You don't think
does.
so? Give me
Actually-
where's the pin?
Am I? Where's
the pin?
it does. Yeah, you're chilling, I think.
It's bad. So we'll leave it at that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Trate así, mi.
See you guys.
Bro, have fun. Just go for it.
You gotta do better.
Yeah, and let the car like roll back a little bit. Yeah, it's touching it right here. It's this. Oh, like that. Yeah, it was a pretty nasty sound.
It's not a lot of angle either.
All right, now you should feel more comfortable
Yeah.
and like reassured.
For sure.
Those lights are not going anywhere as well. Look at that.
I think this is an alignment problem.
Oh, really?
How? What
Or maybe-
just happened?
Maybe
Why
it's
is
because
it like
it's
that?
alignment. Because the wheel, for example, cuando yo alineo el carro, it goes like this. You decide how much in degrees. It's in degrees. Maybe because it's oval, and I have it set up more for like a.
It's
flats.
gripping on the outer side more.
Because I'm drifting so much on one side. This one's fine. I don't know. I feel like you could also like align cars for this. So maybe if we know we're gonna be drifting
Here.
yeah, you add a little bit of toe on that side, I guess, or take away. I'm not really sure, but you could definitely do some things.
There's probably some written documentation on it.
Yeah, the NASCAR guys.
Have a lot of time, bro. It's
You got plenty of time.
10:54, so you'll have like 50 minutes.
Yeah. we did good. We had a few good laps, a few bad laps, spun out a couple times, but for the most part, I think we did pretty good. Considering our first lap was not the best, we made the most out of it, and we did some jank things that ended up working, so we're good.
Some great solutions.
Yeah, great solutions. Let's go look at the solutions we made.
This.
All right, so our hood pin broke, so we did a little
Engineering.
bolt and nut tech, redhead engineering. Our headlight mount is broken. Our frame is bent, so there's that.
Very bent.
It punctured the radiator slightly. And then what else did we do?
The frame, we had to do some adjustments.
This little structure right here, if you guys know on like the OGZs, it just kind of curves down. Yeah, it doesn't curve down anymore. Bend. That's right. There's also a cut wire here that we don't know what happened to it. This mount also broke, so our panel's loose. And basically,
we can't open the hood.
we can't open the hood. We can't at all. If it opens, it's never closing again. Let's put it that way. Right now I'm feeling like a really weird vibration. I'm feeling a weird vibration in like the front side of the car. When I have like angle in a specific way, it just kind of locks or it vibrates really hard. But when you kind of like find the smooth point, it doesn't vibrate anymore. So I don't know if that's like a suspension thing. Maybe the suspension is not set up for the track surface correctly. That might be over analyzing it because there probably is some steering issues. I don't think it should ever vibrate like that. So it is what it is. If you guys have ever felt like when you remember when we were in the car and like you can feel the tie rod is about to like snap in half.
No.
Remember like the car would shake.
Oh yeah.
And then it just breaks.
And then it snaps.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm feeling right now.
But it shouldn't happen though, right?
It shouldn't. Yeah. Unless the ding something. Brother, that impact felt so hard.
You feel it?
I thought I like crumpled that.
We didn't even notice that you hit.
Now you feel it.
Yeah.
That's what you want.
That's like a trophy.
Vas a sentir
It is.
como que rush a lot, pero it's okay.
Yep.
You good?
Yeah.